What you doing?
I'm making cinnamon rolls.
No. We're making what kind?
Pastry.
We're making pastry?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's what they call it.
I think they're dinner rolls. That's what we're making.
They're called rolls.
Right.
We're making rolls to be on TV.
Like, roll out.
Uh-huh.
Roll out. Roll out. Right?
And this is channel TVS.
Okay.
And
What does S stand for?
Awesome Mrs. Cooker Pants.
Right. Yeah.
We just got all the ingredients together.
Right.
And what is the final answer?
Rolls.
Yes. So, if you are a kid and you're baking, watch this video and you'll subscribe 20 thumbs up. Actually, 100 thumbs up.
Are you trying to start an ad for a YouTube channel that doesn't exist?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want your own YouTube channel? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Mhm.
Okay, we'll talk about it.
My very own baking.
You want a baking YouTube
And
channel?
my mom and dad are here. Daddy, say hi. Daddy, you gotta get in.
Hi.
Now, what we're doing is still making pastries. It's kind of hard. It's because the pot's hot, and I have to touch bowls to make sure I can do it. Watch the video, and our video one about bowls soon. It's gonna come out soon. Now
Okay.
we are getting back. Now, since I can't touch the pot, I have to use hands,
Right.
and
Whoop.
it's
Careful.
getting clumpy.
All right.
And that's pretty good. We're going to put something on it then. Then it's going to have to puff up for a little bit.
Here.
Then we're going to put it in
You want
the
me to
middle.
help you mix that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Don't say hi, Dad. Say just hi.
Just hi.
Are you copying whatever I say?
No, I just did what you said.
Mm-hmm.
Can I have it now?
Okay, I just want to mix all of that.
Hey, can I have it?
Yep, there you go.
So, did you guys like seeing my dad? Give me a thumbs up. Do you guys want to see my
We
mom?
did. Honey, I didn't plan on making you a YouTube channel.
You are putting on a YouTube
I have
channel.
my YouTube channel, yeah.
Even though my mom runs commercials.
Yes, that's
And
what.
my daddy's a brain doctor.
Yep. That's my mom. Your mom runs commercials? And your daddy's a brain doctor. Yep. Don't know.